I really want to.
Touch it. Touch the butt.
Oh. I'm forcibly removed from the abandoned building.
Security come in. If I turn this, will it explode? Still alive then, I guess. Oh, you can see more through the camera than I can with my fucking eyes. What is that? Is that someone's deathbed?
Yeah, look, there's
no, it's not.
Shit. It looks like
there's a cushion going on. There's a cushion.
Oh, fuck this, I don't like it here.
Shine it on me, I don't like it here. Someone just made a bed. This is the worst thing to rest. Why is there a cushion? Of all the places to have a chill and a few beers. I'll be in this fucking dark room.
It's like dismal. Try to look at this damn cushion.
There's a cushion. I hope he's okay.
Oh, it's gross. It is grim. That is grim.
He's defo divorced his wife recently.
Oh.
It really is trashed, isn't it? I mean, I want to know what these are. Apart from clearly labelled Death Tank number 1. But it'd be cool.
Death Tank number 2. Oh no. No, it says it here.
This one's Death Tank number 2. Oh, cool. Could have a nice sit in there.
Have a nice death in there.
We're just going to go for a little nip inside the pain room.
Panic buttons. But it's gone.
Oh. I'm really worried about the floor. Oh, this is cool though.
Whoa. This looks fucked.
Yeah. I like all the... What are these? What are these saying?
Chlorine gas.
Chlorine? Yeah, they used to... It's a water treatment place, so I don't know if they take the chlorine out. You wouldn't put chlorine in, right? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking
You
about.
can't drink chlorine.
I don't know. Swimming pools as a child, I'd beg to differ. Apparently there's an art gallery through here. Are you excited to find it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Please don't fall and die, I'll be fuming.
There's not even nothing in there.
We were promised art.
I mean, does sculpture count?
There's a bench for you to sit and enjoy.
Well,
Stairs?
yeah.
How do you fancy going down? Or can you not?
And then you go down. Probably over there. And then you go around these next, and then there's next.
Ah,
Secret underground base.
is that what the
Basement from over there was.
Oh, probably. And there's a door for outside. Fucking loving the graffiti in here.
Oh, that's so good.
This is a big old door. I didn't see a door from the outside.
I guess it must go somewhere though.
There's a handy dandy light switch. Let's turn that on. Well, fuck.
Yeah.
Didn't see that coming.
Nah. You'll be fine.
Want to pass me some stuff?
There you go. A torchy boy. How am I supposed to get out?
Nat loves the woman.
I'm gay.
Aren't we all?